Hi everyone, it's Kate from Awakening Your Abundance Creatively, and I'm just jumping on to do a quick intro for this mini course that I've put together as a freebie to help you survive this time of year, which can get really hectic, and hopefully help you come out the other end sane and ready to tackle those New Year's resolutions. So think of this as a priming time up until Christmas, getting your manifesting skills up and ready, and then we can hit the ground running in 2020. So basically I've put together 24 little snippets for you on the law of attraction, majority being videos, and I've got some great information plus some cheat sheets in there that you can help with your visualizing, gratitude, meditation. I'm going to put in a couple of quick meditations for you as well, just to help you to keep your sanity. But I'm just showing you this image that I painted a little while ago because it's showing someone as zen and happy as I'm hoping you guys will be during December. So you can see the yin yang signs, which to me symbolizes the balance of the practical side plus the spiritual woo-woo side. And we'll be going through that in the next 24 to 25 little mini lessons that I put forward for you guys. So I hope you get a lot out of it. I hope this really explains the law of attraction to you and how you can incorporate it into your life. It doesn't have to be hard. And pick out the best ones that are fun for you to do, because that's the main thing with using the law of attraction and attracting into your life what you're wanting is the emotions. So we want to keep those vibes high, and I'm hoping that you get a lot out of this little mini course, and I can help you to have a wonderful December and work on having a fantastic 2020. All right, I'll catch you in the next video.